I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, chill the cake briefly so it holds shape and is easier to slice. Position the cake on a firm board or turntable and square it to your workspace. This prevents slipping. Use toothpicks or a ruler to mark equal slice widths so your portions stay consistent. Once done, steady the board with a non-slip mat under it. You'll save time and get cleaner edges by combining chilling with measured marks before cutting. You now make the cuts. Pick a long serrated or flexible knife to reduce crumbling and hold it level. Start with a light sawing motion. Do not press hard because pressure compresses the cake and ruins texture. Rotate the cake or turntable while keeping the knife steady to get straight sides. This technique maintains consistent slice height. Make one clean stroke per slice and wipe the blade between cuts with a warm, damp cloth to remove. You finish by lifting and serving. Slide a cake lifter or wide spatula under each slice and support the side as you transfer it to a plate so it stays intact. If the cake is dense, warm the knife briefly to glide through. Conversely, cool the blade for sticky frostings. If a slice tears or sticks, pause and chill the cake 10 minutes, then try again using a gentle rocking motion. This fixes common problems and preserves presentation when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.